Coming to Samastitihi at the beginning of your mat, aligning the big toes with each other, the heels slightly apart, pulling up on the kneecaps, feeling the activation in the thigh muscles. The navel gently draws in, the chest is broad, the spine is long, the hands loosely resting by the side. Close your eyes, the face is calm. So think of it as an equal balance between activating the muscles of the body and finding relaxation and ease in the position. Take a breath in. Full exhale out, let it go. Surya Namaskar, Hatha Yoga style. Open your eyes. Inhale in Samastitihi. Exhale, join the hands at the heart center. Inhale, take your hands up, slightly arch back, only using the upper back. Exhale, lengthen through the spine as you fold forward for Uttanasana. You can bend the knees like so, stomach to the thighs. Inhale, right leg back, lower the knee down, lift the chest and chin, release the toes down. Hold the breath. Come to a powerful plank position, aligning the shoulders over the wrist. Let's hold the plank for 5 breaths, spreading through the fingers, activating the legs. The navel draws in towards the spine. The gaze is slightly forward towards the top edge of the mat. The breath is calm. On your exhalation, lower the knees, arch through the spine, lower the chest and chin. Bhujangasana, slide forward like a snake. And let's not use the hands right now. So this is just the strength of the spine. On your exhalation, make your way to downward facing dog. Separate the feet about hip width, gaze at the toes. Since it's the first round, let's take a breath, inhaling through the chest. Exhale, draw the lower belly in towards the spine. Look forward, inhale, step the right leg in between the hands, lower the left knee down, lift the chest up, chin up. Exhale, join the left leg forward with the right leg coming straight away to Uttanasana. Bend the knees if you need to. Inhale, extend the arms forward, lengthen as you come up, slightly arch back. Exhale, returning to stillness, Samastitihi. Left side, inhale in Samastitihi. Exhale, join the hands in Pranam. Inhale, take your hands up. Try not to move the hips, just the upper back. Exhale, lengthen through the spine, fold forward for Uttanasana, palms flat, head down. Inhale, left leg back, knee down, lift the chest and chin. Hold the breath. Here we are in a powerful plank position. On your exhalation, lower the knees, chest and chin. Bhujangasana, slide forward like a snake. Press into the feet, open the chest. Exhale to downward facing, empty the lungs. Inhale, left leg forward, right knee down, lift the chest and chin. Exhale, right leg joins the left leg, fold forward, Uttanasana, bend the knees if you need to. Inhale, extend the arms forward, slightly back. Exhale to Samastitihi. One more time. Inhale, Samastitihi. Exhale, hands at the heart center. Inhale, take your hands up, slightly open the chest. Exhale all the way down. Pull the navel in, Uttanasana, head down. Inhale, right leg back, lower the knee down, lift the chest and chin. Hold the breath, coming to a powerful plank position. On your exhalation, knees, chest and chin to the ground. Bhujangasana, inhale. You can come up a little higher, relaxing the shoulders away from the ears. Exhale to downward facing, empty the lungs. Inhale, right leg forward, left knee down, lift the chest and chin. Exhale, left leg joins, Uttanasana, fold over the legs. Inhale, extend the arms forward, come up. slightly back. Exhale, back to Samastitihi. Inhale, Samastitihi. Exhale, hands at the heart. Inhale, take the hands up, open through the chest, look back. Exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana, navel in, head down. Inhale, left leg back, knee lowers, lift the chest and chin. Hold the breath. Here we are in plank position. On your exhale, knees, chest and chin to the mat, tailbone up. Bhujangasana, inhale. Exhale, downward facing, empty the lungs. Inhale, left leg forward, right knee down, lift up. Exhale, right leg joins, Uttanasana, fold over the legs. Inhale, extend the hands forward, slightly back. Exhale, back to Samastitihi. Finding stillness in Samastitihi. Try to be still, watch your breath. If the breath is calm, if the heartbeat is relaxed and normal, take that as a thumbs up because that's our aim. We want to move without feeling stressed in the body. If it's a little fast, you want to give yourself a few more seconds to just bring everything back to normal before we continue. Surya Namaskara B, just one round. Inhale, Utkatasana, half squat, hands up till the back is straight. Exhale, stand up fully, fold forward for Uttanasana. Bend the knees if you need to. Inhale, head up only, Ardha Uttanasana. On your exhalation, you can jump or walk back to plank. Inhale, hold the plank. Exhale, move the shoulders a little forward and go down. Chaturanga or fully down to the mat. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, press into the hands, open the chest. Exhale to Adho Mukha, hips back and up, look at the feet. Left leg 45-degree angle, right leg in between the hands. Inhale, Virabhadrasana, find the balance, raise the hands up, join the palms together, we'll hold for 5 breaths. Engage your back foot, especially the outer edge of the back foot. Send the hips down, the knee over the ankle, the eyes focused at one point. Check how your breathing is. Exhale fully. Take another inhale. Exhale, neatly hands return to the mat. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga, maybe halfway down. Inhale, open through the chest, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, left leg forward, right leg 45-degree angle with the heel down. Virabhadrasana. Find the balance, find the strength. Look up at the hands. Eyes calm. Breath is deep. Take your hips a little lower. Take another inhale. Exhale, hands to the mat. Inhale, step back to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, open the chest. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Empty the lungs and continue breathing. Separate your feet about hip width. Make sure you're spreading the fingers. For 1. Every exhale, just try to draw the lower belly in towards the spine. For 2. Try to make the breath long and deep, but try to drop the effort to breathe deeper. For 4. Now, take an inhale into the chest. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward, prepare. On your next inhalation, you can jump to the hands. Inhale. Beginning of the mat, look forward immediately. Exhale, fold over the legs, Uttanasana, the weight a little towards the toes. Utkatasana, inhale, half squat, hands up. Exhale, returning to stillness, Samasthiti. Okay, so you can face my direction. Bring the big toes together, heels slightly apart, navel gently drawn in, activate through the legs. On your inhalation, go ahead and raise the arms up. Lock all the fingers except the index finger. So releasing the index finger to point upward. If you can, move the shoulders a little behind the ears. And really lengthening through the arms. Pulling the navel in towards the spine. Exhale. Take another deep inhalation. On your exhalation, start to move the hips towards the left side and bend laterally towards the right side. Holding and breathing, both armpits facing forward for 3, for 2, 1. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale completely here. On your inhalation, reach up a little higher. Exhale, hips to the right, body moves to the left. Try to extend through the arms, activate through the legs. For 3, for 2, 1. Inhale back to center. Exhale, release the hands down. Now face the beginning of your mat, bringing the feet together. We're going to do a backward arch. On your inhalation, go ahead and raise the arms up. Lock all the fingers, even the thumb, and release the index finger to face up. Now from here, there is an option to separate your legs slightly apart that makes this more accessible. Let's go ahead and drop the head back to look up at the hands. Take a deep inhale, reach up a little higher. On your exhalation, only start from the hands. Imagine you're drawing a line on the ceiling and you're opening the chest. Go to a comfortable position. Try not to use the hips here, and we're just using the upper back and the shoulders. Holding at one point for 3. Breathing into the position for 2. 1. Reverse the same way, strong legs to come out. And then as you exhale, keep the head in line with your arms and start to pivot from the hips, long spine, lengthening through the arms, fold over the legs. Okay? Pick up the heels, hold the fingers from under the heels. Try to straighten the knees as you look forward. On your exhalation, you can bend the knees to bring the stomach to the thighs and fold. Don't round your spine, right? So keep the knees straight if it's accessible and fold for a very deep Uttanasana. For 3, bring the weight a little more forward towards the toes. For 2, 1 more breath. Exhale completely. Keeping the hands on the ground. Step back with your right leg, lower the knee down, and here we are in a low lunge position. So slowly coming up and finding the balance in your low lunge position. If you feel any pressure in your back knee at all, just glide the knee a little behind your hip, and then that takes away the tension from the knee. Aligning the front knee over the heel, relaxing the shoulders, gazing at one point. Keep sending your hip forward and downward, and then on your inhalation, release through the hands. Go ahead and raise the arms up. Join the palms together, looking up towards the thumb. Extend through the hands. Hold your posture. For 3, eyes steady. For 2, breath is deep. 1 more breath, and then nice and easy, exiting the posture with control. Gracefully return the hands back to the knees. Now we're going to do a twist. So from here, inhale, raise the right hand all the way up and then bend a little forward. So you're trying to cross the armpit over the left knee. Okay. So a couple of options. You can just take a pranam at the center of the chest, turn the gaze to face up, or if you can fold a little bit more, then right hand down, palms on the ground, open through the chest, left hand up towards the ceiling. Holding here, holding the balance for 3. For 2, it's a little harder to breathe in the twist. Try your best. 1. Now you can look at the floor, lower your back hand down. You can try to lift your back leg knee up and move the weight a little bit more forward so you're coming on the balls of the feet. Now exhale again. Slowly twist, raising the left hand now over the head. Gaze up at the left hand for 3. Finding stillness in the posture for 2. 1. Neatly, carefully coming out of the posture. Inhale, let's step it back to plank position. Exhale through chaturanga. Inhale, urdhva mukha, release through the chest. Exhale to downward facing. Empty the lungs, gaze at the feet. Let it go. Now step the right leg forward in between the hands. Lower the back leg, knee down, a little behind the hip. Coming up and balancing on the thigh, you can interlock the fingers and look at one point to steady the mind. Taking a breath here. When you're ready, inhale, raising the arms up, joining the palms together, setting your eyes on the thumbs, following the breath. For 3, reaching up with the hands on the inhale. For 2, lowering down with your hips on the exhale. One more breath, full focus. And then slowly bringing the pranam back to the heart center. And let's do the twist. So you're going to raise the left hand all the way up and then try to cross the armpit over the knee, opening the chest. Option to take pranam. If you can take it a little deeper here, left hand down, right hand up. Slowly gazing towards the right hand for 3. For 2, trying your best to take full breaths. And 1. Now take the right hand down for a second. Look at the floor. Lift your back leg, knee up. Come on the balls of the back foot. Move the weight a little forward and do the twist again. Exhale. This time, raising the right hand up and over the head. For 3. For 2. Almost there. 1. Release. Slowly returning the hands to the mat. Inhale, come to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, urdhva mukha. Exhale, adho mukha. Gaze at the feet. Take a moment, no stress. Exhale completely. On your next inhalation, bend the knees, look forward. You can just do a small hop, coming to Vajrasana position and standing on the knees. Okay? Ushtrasana, separate your knees about hip width, hands on your back. Take a moment to create space in the front body. On your inhalation, open the shoulder blades towards each other, broadening the chest area. And then as you exhale, slowly move the hips slightly forward as you open your chest, and then let the hands just dangle. Try to reach the hands back towards the heels. Readjust yourself to make the hips move forward, and then the head can drop back, extending through the throat. Look at one point. Feel this more in the upper back rather than the lower back. Full steady breaths. Inhale. Exhale. 1. Inhale. Exhale 2. Inhale. Exhale 3. Now the way to come out of the position is to hold the hips once again, be in the back bend. Inhale here and then slowly come out, lifting the head up last. Exhale, sitting down in Vajrasana, knees together, hands on the knees, let the palms face up, close your eyes. Take a moment to experience the back bend. It's quite intense for sure, so don't hurry and take your time to just fully experience. Okay, let's continue. Hands forward, step back, inhale, coming to plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale to Adho Mukha. Take a moment. Exhale fully. And then when you're ready, we're going to jump to Malasana position, yogic squat. So bend the knees, look forward on your exhalation. Inhale, take a soft hop outside the hands. And landing in your Malasana yogic squat position. The hips are a little externally rotated, so the feet are facing out a bit, hands in prayer. It's a very proud posture. So lift through the chest, lifting your chin up, holding and breathing here. For 3. Push the inner knees towards the upper arms towards the inner knees. For 2. One more breath. Okay, let it go. Coming to Bakasana position, our first arm balance right now. So we're going to start by lifting through the knees, bringing the feet together. Then take the hands in front of you. You can try to bring the index fingers to actually point forward. Spreading through the fingers, position the knees high up towards the armpits. Wrap the elbows towards each other. Lift up through the balls of the feet. Look a little forward towards the top of the mat. Then inhale, exhale, transfer the weight to the arms and then see if you can lift up. Bakasana position, holding and breathing for 5, for 4, for 3, 2, 1. You can try to hop back to Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Take a moment in downward dog, emptying the lungs completely. Now from here we can try to do a jump through. Inhale into the chest. Exhale, pull the navel in. Look forward, bend the knees. Inhale, hop. Cross through the legs, extend the legs forward and sit down. Okay, so here we are in Dandasana. Hands on the legs or keep the hands beside the hip. Move the shoulders a little away from the ears. Bend through the elbows. Take a breath. Exhale, let it go. Very nice. Now slowly lift the chin up. Inhale, extend through the arms. Paschimottanasana, pull the navel in and fold forward. The first 2 fingers can reach your big toes. You can lengthen the spine again as you inhale and then exhale, fold into the position. If your back is rounding a lot, please use this modification. Okay, do what's best for your body. If the spine rounds, you need to bend the knees, focus on lifting through the spine. Eventually one day, maintaining contact with the thighs, you can extend through the feet without losing the contact between the stomach and the thigh. Inhale, lift through the head, lengthen through the spine. Exhale, release the hands. Marichasana. Bend your right knee. Keep one hand gap between the foot and the left thigh. Inhale, raise the right hand up. Exhale like you're doing a forward bend. Wrap the arm underneath the knee. You can do a little twist to position yourself. Take a lock behind you. You can hold the fingers or the wrist and then make it a forward fold again. So face the left knee. Take an inhale into the chest. Exhale, fold towards the left leg. Let the breath be calm and lengthened. Let the practice go a little more internal. Inhale, lift the head up, lengthen the spine. Exhale, release. Now you can just walk it back to plank, or we can take a flow here. So bending the knee, hook the arm high up on the shoulder and then take the hands down, spread the fingers. Inhale, you can lift up in this position, hold it here for 3, for 2, 1. We can try to just jump back from here, bend through the right knee and then just take it back to Chaturanga. Inhale, exhale through the sequence. Empty the lungs. Let it go. Look forward, bend the knees. Inhale, jump through, sit down. Bend the knee for Marichasana. Left hand raises up. Exhale, fold forward. You can twist a little bit to the right side to take a bind here and then face the right leg again. Inhale, lift through the center of the chest. Exhale to go down. Flex the right foot so you're really feeling this. For 3, for 2, 1. Inhale to come out, exhale to release. So now you can just walk back or hook the left leg over the left shoulder as high up as you can. And then set your hands down, try to keep the leg there. On your inhalation, lift up, holding here for 3, for 2, 1, and then you can just try to jump back. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale to Adho Mukha. Empty the lungs. Take a moment. Let it go. On your next inhalation, let's look forward and jump very softly to seated. So bend the knees, look forward. Inhale, take a hop. And then sit down, extend the legs forward for Navasana. You can, let's do bent knees first. Navel into spine for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Half Navasana. Roll the spine back, hands forward. For 3, for 2, 1. Come back to this position. Cross the legs, cross at the shins. Keep the hands in between the heels and your seat. Spread the fingers and lift your hips high up. Full palms down. Sit down. Okay. Bring the knees back together. We're going to do Navasana again. So you can choose to keep the knees bent or straighten through the knees. Hands forward, spine straight. Gaze at the toes. Breathing a lot. And now slowly you can roll the spine halfway back and the legs forward. Navel into spine. You could also opt to take the hands back. For 3, for 2, 1. Coming back to Navasana. Cross the other leg on top. Set the feet down. Transfer the weight to the arms. Lift your hip off the ground. Chin up, chest forward, and then sit down. Okay. Last one. Give it your best. Here we go. Inhale, Navasana. You can also raise the arms alongside the ear. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and then half Navasana. Roll it back. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to Navasana. Cross the legs at the shin. Maybe this time without the use of the feet. Inhale, lift your hip up and then set it down. Okay. Now, cross the legs at the shin. Keep the hands in between the heels and the seat. Lift through the hips and then wiggle your legs back and then jump back to plank. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, urdhva mukha. Exhale, adho mukha. Stay in downward dog for 5 breaths. 1, 2, calm the mind. 3, use this as an opportunity to lengthen the breath. 4, and 5. Okay, move your left leg a little bit to the center and raise the right leg up for 3-legged dog. Holding and breathing. Keep the hip squared for right now. Then bend the knee and open the hip over to the left side so the weight is more on the left hand. Then bring it back to center and straighten the leg one more time and set the leg down. Shift the weight, right leg a little bit to the center and then give me a leg up with the left. Hip is squared for now, knee is straight. And then bend the knee, open out the hip towards the right side. The weight is more on the right hand. And then bring it back to center. Inhale, straighten the leg a little more and set it down. Okay? Exhale completely. Bend the knees, look forward. Inhale, jump through, sit down. Okay? Baddha Konasana. Bring the soles of the feet together. Maybe one fist gap between the heels and your seat. Try to open your legs like a book so the soles are actually facing up. Take a deep inhale. Lift the pelvis a little forward as you lift the chest up and chin up. And then exhale, navel in, fold over the legs. And if you need the support of the hands here, feel free to take it. Holding and breathing. For 5. Slow down the breath, no stress. 4. I'm going to also show you a modification. If Baddha Konasana is challenging and the knees are lifting too much, you can move the heels slightly forward, little more forward, about 3 hands distance from the pelvis to the heels. Then this might be a little more accessible for you today to fold forward. Okay, so choose the modification appropriately and then inhale to come up. Hold the outer edges of the knees and close it together. Okay, let's do a jump back. Cross the legs at the shin. This time you can try to keep the feet lifted, hands down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, take it back and then step or jump to plank and lower down. Inhale, urdhva mukha. Exhale to adho mukha. Bend the knees. We're going to practice Shirsasana, headstand. If headstand is not in your practice today, please do any other inversion like Sarvangasana or even legs 90 degrees straight up. Okay, this is not exactly a full tutorial, but just a movement through the practice. So now take your headstand position, hold the outer edges of the elbows, interlock the fingers creating a tripod shape. Place the center of the head down, cradled by the hands. Inhale, lift the knees up, prepare. Walk a little more forward and then you can bend both the knees together towards the chest. Take it on up and straighten the legs. Here we are, Shirsasana. Experiencing a more meditative aspect of this practice. If you're very comfortable, feel free to close your eyes. If you feel the balance is steady, the breath is relaxed. Keep the navel drawn in. The mind is calm. Yogasana is not about what it looks like from the outside. It's about how you feel inside. Even if you're not coming up to headstand today, you can just stay with the feet down, lifting your hips high up over the head. One more breath. Exhale halfway down. You can try to hold halfway down for 5 breaths. Legs straight and extended, navel in. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, try to balance, take it back up, find the center line. Exhale, bend the knees calmly, bring it back to the chest and slowly landing in Balasana, head down for a few seconds. Don't lift the head up immediately. And now slowly making your way back up to Vajrasana. And then keep the hands forward. Inhale, let's take it to plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Stay for an extra breath in Urdhva Mukha. Exhale completely. Inhale again, push into the hands. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Lift the hips up. Look at the feet. Bend the knees, look forward, jump through and sit down. Okay. So now, if you have Padmasana in your practice, let's take Padmasana. Right leg and then left leg. If you don't have Padmasana, do Ardha Padmasana, only one leg in that position. Okay. And then 2 options. You can hold behind opposite elbows or Baddha Padmasana, holding the opposite feet with the opposite arm all the way behind you. Lift through the chest as you inhale and then exhale to fold over. Slow down the breath. Start to move inward as you inhale, coming back up, and then exhale, release the legs. Hands like so, index finger to the thumb. You can try to straighten your elbows, the fingers pointing a little downward towards the mat. Inhale, head up. Exhale, bring the chin down towards the chest without changing the position of the spine. Inhale here. Exhale, draw the lower belly in towards the spine. So we have our Jalandhara Bandha. We have our Uddiyana Bandha, throat lock, the stomach lock. Let's hold for 5 breaths. Inhale. Exhale, 1. Keep the bandhas in place as you breathe. Inhale. Exhale, 2. Inhale. Exhale, 3. Inhale. Exhale, 4. Inhale. Exhale, 5. Inhale, lift the chin up. Position yourself for Utplutihi. Spread the fingers. Lift the knees towards the upper body. Pull the navel in on your inhale. Pick it up. Okay, try to lift the knees high up towards the upper body. For 5, pleasant face. For 4, navel in. For 3, for 2, one more breath and release. Join the hands in pranam at the center of the chest. Inhale, extend the arms up one last time and then take the arms back down to the chest. Take a deep inhale in. Rub the hands together. Place the warmth over the eyes. Open the eyes to look at the hands. And now we're going to lie down in Shavasana. So release the legs and then slowly lie back. Keep the palms facing up, close your eyes. Take complete rest, let the breath come back to normal. I recommend about 10 to 15 minutes of rest after this practice. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next class.